Oops, uh-oh. The HICCUPS are worse than we thought. The best cure for the HICCUPS is the jumps. Excellent idea, Nurse Nikhil. Amma, you must do star jumps to jump the HICCUPS out of you. Doctor's orders. We'll be back to check on you after seeing our other patients. Watch Nikhil and Jay on BBC iPlayer now.